So it's your boy Cragzik again in the shop, and thought I'd give you a little bit of a look at the old bench drill. Brand new from Guild, which is Argos's mate, right? 13mm drill press, BDP 13G. So not an expensive tool, but something I needed nonetheless. Green colour is quite kooky, stands out. Cost me $54.99, and when I pulled it out of the box, it's a weighty bit of kit. You got a slight assembly. You got to bolt this down to the base and slide this on, and then put this on top and tighten it all up. Put the little arms on, you know, for pulling it down. But yeah, quite like it. Not really used it yet. Like I say, it's brand new, so I'm going to give you a quick shufties. So I got a drill bit here. Ooh, a drill bit. So get my little chuck key. Pull the guard up. Open it up a bit. Open it up a bit. Right, so close it up. Oh, that's better. So close it up. Oh yes. Make sure you get it in the hole, Cragzik. Make sure you get it in the hole, you know. We get the old chuck key there. Tighten it up. Gonna need some lecky out. So comes with quite a hefty plug and lead. Quality bit of kit. So we'll plug her in. Plug her in there. Lovely. On the as you're looking at it, on the left hand side, you've got your power button. You've got your on and your off. Your greens you're on, your reds you're off. Like you do. So I think I'll drill a piece of wood. So you've got like a little quick release bar at the back here. So slacken it off. Bring it up to some sort of height. Make sure you get it straight line. Nice and tidy. Let's get a piece of wood. Bit of the old kitchen carcass. Bang it on there like you do. Do it straight in the middle. Won't be using this piece of wood. So you put your drill bit in, nice and tight. Just give it a bit of power. A bit noisy, but still a piece of wood. All in piece of wood. Turn it off. What can I say? It drills a hole in a piece of wood. Well, that thing is going to save me hours when I'm machining bits for my GoPeds and rock crawlers and stuff like that, you know, my radio control stuff. So for 54 quid, you can't really argue. It does what it's supposed to do. Under there, it's belt driven. And it's got different cambered, like, drives for the belt. So you can set the speed for it. Which is quite kooky, but don't want to go into all that and bore you with all that. I just wanted to show you the basic setup of the 13mm drill press. 54 quid, Argos. If you want to do yourself a little workshop, ideal gadget. You can move this either way, so you can drill different angles. But well done, Argos. I'm impressed. And the boys at Guild, keep the shit coming. As the Cragsy always says, I'll have to leave it there in a bezel.